All right, so we've taken a lot of awesome pictures in a lot of the hot spots in Kyoto, like the Nara Park with the deers and stuff, and then the bamboo forest with the mystical bamboos everywhere, and of course the super popular Fushimi Inari Shrine. Of course, we have to add it in our Instagram page where we get a lot of likes and make it nice and cool. But then there's this new way of actually developing film that I never heard of. It's called Cyanotype. And with this, you get to actually play around with chemicals and use the sun to develop it. It's pretty awesome. And it makes these pictures very retro, like old school like. And of course, I'm going to show you guys how to do this step by step. So the procedure that I'm going to show you is the easy way to develop cyanotype pictures. And the one that I have right here is the white cyanotype paper from Cyanotype store. And I got this in Amazon for about $20. And you could definitely purchase this one too with the link down below. So the other thing that you need to have is an inkjet negative print of the picture that you want to develop in this paper. You could definitely go to any type of print shop and they could definitely create the inkjet negative pictures for you. So what I have here is 2 glass that I got from the frames around my house. So what I'm going to be using them for is to place the cyanotype paper and the inkjet negative. First, let's open up the package, and in that package you will see that the cyanotype paper is in a black plastic, and you just got to carefully take it out, because like any type of like sunlight could actually start the developing procedure, so be careful with that. Remember to place the inkjet negative on top of it, and then once it's on top, you could just place it on the glass so it could lay flat. So I have a glass in the bottom. It could be any type of flat surface, and then another glass on top, so it'll be nice and flat, so the sun will just shine on it. So it says in the direction about like 15 to 20 minutes it'll be ready, and it depends on you on how long you want, but for me I just want to put it as long as possible. So I mean, the longer it is in the sun, the better it is when it's developed. So you'll see. So just wait a bit, hang out 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. Just give it some time to get some sunlight. Once the time is up, gently take out the glass on top, and then take out the inkjet negative and just grab the paper, because now what we got to do is wash it off. You'll notice that there will be like yellow discoloration, and that's the thing that you have to wash off. So you could actually see in, like, as I'm washing it off, the yellow stuff, the yellow chemicals is disappearing, and then you could see now it's a little bit nice and blue, and it looks really, really cool. This process was so fun to do, and it's just rewarding seeing your picture come alive once you wash off all the chemicals away, and it looks so cool. So I created another one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and comment if you think this is something that you would do. I know it's a little bit expensive to actually buy the cyanotype paper, but if you do the process of using the chemicals, it's a little bit more cheaper and you could do a lot more things with it. All right, so that's pretty much it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.